Hello everybody, my name is Dan. I'm just going to take you through a walkthrough of the modifications that we have done to our Maverick Trail 1000 DPS. I've been posting some videos lately of our trail rides, so I'm just going to walk you through and show you what we have done to our trail so far. So we're going to start up front. So as you can see, we have a Badlands 3500 winch from Harbor Freight. I've already had to use this thing twice, no problems whatsoever. I'll be doing a more detailed video on that as we go. Up next, we have a 12-inch LED light bar off of Amazon. Ridiculously bright. It puts the stock headlights to shame. I will be posting some videos on LED lights that we're going to be putting on this. I guess one of the bigger things we've done is we have put on new tires. These obviously are not stock. These are 30-inch Tusk Terabytes. They are on 2-inch spacers up front. On the back, we don't have the spacers only because we don't need the turn radius. But the tires are, let me see if I pronounce this right, they are Wasatch beadlock wheels, 14x7 with a 5+2 offset. Just that way we can try to stay narrow as possible. With these tires and the fender flares, I believe we're roughly about 54, 55 inches. Now, one great thing about these tires is, I don't know if you can tell from the video, they did give us an additional 2.5 inches of ground clearance, which that doesn't sound like a lot, but when you're out on those trails and you see other stock machines bottoming out on the ruts, those 2.5 inches make a pretty big difference. So, as well as the front LED, you can see is mounted on our trail front bumper. We did purchase the corner guards just because we had a couple close calls with trees, and I found out that this lovely piece of plastic is $250. So it's definitely cheaper to buy those and hopefully save yourself the trouble. Coming up here, we have the half windshield, which just to give you a quick summary, I would not recommend this. I wish I would have gone with the Tusk. Somewhere, for some reason, in here, right around this level, right where your eyes are trying to see the trail in front of you, it has like a weird shimmer effect, and it's almost impossible to see through. So I would not recommend that. It looks nice and its fit is amazing, as it should be for an OEM part, but I would not recommend it. Next, we have our Can-am mirror. Sorry, she's a little muddy. We had her out last weekend. Believe it or not, she did get cleaned for about 20 minutes, and this is how muddy she still is. So the mirrors on both sides, obviously. Coming to the interior, we did put a panoramic mirror on top. We have the sport roof. The back vent just kind of catches mud from hitting us in the back. We did go with the Tusk 3-inch harnesses. These things are amazing. I will be doing a video on those separately to go over the installation process, which is not easy. It took us about 2 hours. Over there you can see the Tusk LED light bar, or whips. I'll be doing a video with those included in the LED light bars. Towards the back, you can see we have our safety fire extinguisher. Had someone in a group we belong to post about his burning to the ground, and they made it out safely, thankfully, but we don't want to take that risk, so we invested in one of those. I did forget to mention that we did put on the 2-inch fender flares. Now if you look up here, you can see that the tire still sticks out, but it makes a huge difference. We are a fraction as muddy as we used to be. I mean, it's amazing what that does. Moving towards the rear here, we have the all-terrain trunk cover, which in my opinion, is my second favorite mod, besides the wheels, which is amazing difference. But the trunk obviously opens up. You have everything inside. We have our trauma kit. Just, you never know what's going to happen out there on the track or on the trails. Jump starter, bottle jacks, a lot of tools necessary to do basic repairs, a replacement belt. We keep our tie downs here. It's a little messy, but we keep our tie downs in there just so we don't lose them ever. Rear trail bumper, and then the Can-am rear mount, which is actually ridiculously nice in how it mounts straight to the bumper. That's what I love about OEM parts. They're expensive, but you're getting quality, and they fit like no other. The aftermarket parts just can't hold a candle to them. that's it. Did forget to mention a couple. We do have the side pad doors, which honestly we don't use a lot for storage, but that padding along the bar is a huge, nice improvement. So I recommend that just to get the padding along the bar. We do have this. I just bought this. I haven't been able to properly install it, but it does not move even if it's not strapped in there because these bucket seats keep it in there nice and tight. And then, as well as being new and not actually put on the machine yet, are these Trail Armor A-arm and front protectors. I'm going to put these on now, and then over the winter we'll be installing the full underbody Trail Armor skid plate. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments or anything you want to talk about on the modifications that we've done to our trail, I know the wheels are probably going to be a hot topic because the whole you need a new clutch or you don't need a new clutch. We haven't decided which way we're going yet, but thanks for watching.